Hi everybody, I'm Tim with Pittsco Education, and we have just built the TETRIX Max Ranger Bot, or Ranger Max, and now we need to do one of the activities. So actually we're going to do two activities, and that's basically driving and determining speed. One of the first things that we always want to know when we're driving, whether it be a car or bus or anything, is how fast are we going. So we're going to figure out exactly what it needs, what we need to be able to determine speed. So I want to gather a couple of things. We need our robot, we need our remote control, we need a tape measure, we need some kind of a timing device, whether it would be a stopwatch or a cell phone, smartphone. So once we get that together, we can go ahead, and what we're going to do is we're going to mark off a set distance on our floor, and we're going to time exactly how long it takes our robot to get from the starting point to the end point, because we know that speed equals distance over time. So if we have a set distance and we know what time is elapsed to do that distance, we can calculate speed. So that's what we're going to do for our first activity. So once we've determined speed and we know what that was, we can really kind of start to ask ourselves, okay, are there things that impacted that? For instance, example, acceleration. When we started from the starting point and we timed to what it took to get to the ending point, was there acceleration that impacted that distance or that time that it took to travel that distance? We can explore that and find out if it did by starting back behind the starting line and making sure that our robot is moving at full speed and still time the same distance when it crosses the starting line at full speed to how long it takes to get to the end of our distance. And we'll thereby know whether or not acceleration played a part in that first elapsed time. What do you think happened? Is it going to take longer or shorter to cover that distance? For additional resources and suggestion activities, please again feel free to check out Pittsco.com or TETRIXrobotics.com. Search for the Ranger Max or the TETRIX Max Ranger Bot and see what else you can find to suggest to do for activities.